English tutorial Edu. This is Sumita and today we are going to learn about interjections. First, the definition. An interjection is a word of exclamation expressing a sudden feeling or emotion. They are rather marginal to language. That means they are not grammatically connected with any other word in a sentence. So we can use hurrah by itself or hurrah, we have won the match. In this sentence, hush, the baby is sleeping, we find that the word the starts with a capital letter which shows that it is a separate sentence. So after interjections, we use capital letters. Interjections can be classified into three types. Cognitive interjections, these words give us information about the feelings of the speaker. Like, wow, she is looking so pretty. Emotive interjections are words which express emotions like disgust, sorrow, and fear. Like, ew, what a stench. Volitive interjections are words which act as imperative expressions commanding, requesting, or demanding something from the addressee. So, when we want to tell someone to do something, we use volitive interjections. Like here, hush, the baby is sleeping. So, we are telling someone to be silent. Now, let us see which interjections are to be used with which kind of feelings. Like yippee is used when we want to express happiness or joy. For expressing surprise, we can use oh, oops, wow, gee, what, boo, wah, OMG, or oh my god, gosh. For disgust, ugh, pew, tut tut, damn, you, yuck. For appreciation, bravo, encore, yeah, boo yeah, boo hoo. For hatred and anger, fie, pooh, ha, ugh, eek, rats. For showing delight, hooray, cheers, yippee, bingo, yay. For attention, psst, yoo-hoo, hey, For greetings, goodbye, hello, hi, ho, hey. So these are all interjections. For expressing sorrow, alas, ah, puff, oh. Onomatopoeic words like splash, bang, boom, crack are also interjections. What is onomatopoeic words? These words express the sound that they make. For expressing pain, we use ow, ouch, ah. For making someone silent, we use hush, sh. For showing affection, mwah. Certain groups of words are also used as interjections. Let us see what are they. Ah me, be quiet, bless you, bloody hell. Excuse me, for shame, good gracious, good grief, my goodness, oh God. Oh no, oh dear, oh ho, oh Thank God, well done. So we have learned an interjection expresses a sudden strong feeling. Like this girl is scared and she says, oh, you scared me. Let us frame some sentences to learn its usage. Ah, the earthquake has destroyed many towns. Hello, how are you? Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, my dog is dead. Oh, you scared me. Hush, don't make a noise. Ouch, I've hurt my leg. Damn, I've lost this game. Fie, I'm sick of you and your lies. Wow, what a beautiful scenery it is. Pew, that was a narrow escape. Goodbye, see you later. So we have learned a lot of interjections today and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And do write in the comments some of the sentences that you can make with these interjections. Thanks for watching.